Hi guys, long time no see. How are you? Today I have Chanel. I put it in the pouch that it comes with, which is very cute. Let's start with the eyeshadow first. And I love that they have the details here. See, color different in every side. I like it. It's beautiful. Okay, let's open it. And then the pouch. Wow, comes with the brush, and I need to make lots of makeup tutorial. The camera didn't make any justice. Beautiful. Yeah. This is the other one, the blush, which I'm so excited. Everybody's excited about. However, the eyeshadows too, I like it. And again, the same. I like those colors here. Has the brush. I like it. I always like those. I don't use them, but they are so soft and actually it can be used. Pouch. Oh. Let me open. I didn't open. Ooh. The camera doesn't make any justice. It's like very elegant. Maybe it won't show on my hand. You can see the shine here. Beautiful. Yep, this is Chanel from Hermès. Again, the package is beautiful. It's the Hermès Plein Air Edge Trio, but actually I bought the highlighter, not the bronzer. I will buy it, but not this time. Of course, the packaging, you know, packaging of Hermès, so luxurious, like that. Oh, beautiful. I love it. #02 Coral Mojavé or Mojavé. Wow. You know, not everybody talked about this shade. It's the coral one. Thought it will be different. Yeah, this is beautiful too. Let me, I don't want to ruin everything. Let me do all of them. Oops, it's powdery a little bit, but guys, this will be very nice. I don't know if the camera can catch anything. Definitely see the shine in my hand. Wow. But you have to be careful because see, I swatch it and make a mess. Let me try the lightest. I'm trying the lightest. Oh, this is beautiful. I love those colors. Oh, I love it. It's very subtle. It's very subtle. It's hard to see. Beautiful. Yeah, but see, it's when you swatch it, it's still beautiful. Beautiful. I am not planning to buy the pinkish. I think I will buy one of the bronzer later on. This is beautiful one. Keep tuned. I will do another video for you unboxing. Guess what I have, what brand I have. I will see you again. Bye.